All right, so we got a Whirlpool dryer, and the customer's complaint is whenever they hit start, nothing happens. So you heard that click back there, right? On the board? All right, so we found that the motor relay on this board is bad, and it's got a blown out thermal fuse. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this control board and the thermal fuse. That's what it looks like. And this is the control board for the unit. Side by side comparison. Pop them connectors back in there. Easy to do it when you just pop them right off, put them right back where they go. No confusion. All right, control board replaced. Now we're gonna replace this thermal fuse. That piece right there. That's called the thermal fuse. And this jar is gonna fire right up. All right, so we got the thermal fuse and the main control board replaced on this unit. We'll go ahead and start. There we go.